Difference between Django Pyramid and Flask. Django Pyramid and Flask are all web framework for building web applications using the Python programming language. Here are the main differences between them. Django is a full stack web framework that comes with lot of built-in functionality, including an ORM, object relational mapping for database management, an admin interface, and a templating engine. It's designed to make it easier to build complex web applications quickly, and it's often used for large scale projects. Pyramid and Flask, on the other hand, are micro frameworks that provide a smaller, more lightweight set of tools for building web applications. Pyramid is a flexible and extensible web framework that allows developers to use their preferred technology and libraries. It doesn't comes with and many many built-in features as Django, but it is more customizable and it can be used for a wide range of web applications. Flask is a minimalistic web framework that provides a basic set of tools for building web applications. It's designed to be simple and easy to use, and it's often used for small scale projects or prototypes. Flask is also highly customizable and it allows developers to add the functionality they need using third party libraries. In summary, the main difference between Django, Pyramid, and Flask are their level of complexity, flexibility, and the amount of built in functionality they provide. Django is a full stack framework with a lot of features. Pyramid is a flexible and customizable framework, and Flask is a lightweight and easy to use framework. The choice of which framework to use depends on the specific needs on the project and the preferences of the developer. Thank you.